The demand for ghostwriters is currently on the high side, and that is because a lot of busy professionals, bloggers, publishing companies and business owners are in constant demand of ghostwriters who will write content for them that they can buy from you and publish it as the original owners. These people, they are very busy, they don't have time to sit down and write a book from the beginning to the end, so they hire people to do that for them and they pay them for it. Okay, this business can earn you as high as $100 to $500 per month, or even from one website alone. Okay, so it's something you can start from anywhere at all that you are in the world, as long as you are serious about writing and you can pay attention to details, give people exactly what they want, and you are good to go. So basically that is what ghostwriting is all about. You help people to write books, novels, or anything at all that they need, and they buy it from you and publish it as the original writers or owners of that particular article. You get paid and that's it. Okay, you don't need to be a published author to do this. You don't need to be a you don't need to be a writer to do this. All you just need is be able to understand what somebody wants and put it in writing, format it very well and give it to them, and you are good to go. They pay you for your own service. So basically that is what ghostwriters do for business owners, publishing companies, blogs, and so on and so forth. And that is what we're going to be talking about in this video right now. In this video, I'll be sharing with you 5 legit websites that actually pay ghostwriters to help business owners, publishing companies, blogs, and so on and so forth to write content, and they pay them for doing that. I'll be showing you the type of content each of these websites accept, how much they pay, and the number of words that they accept. Okay, so if you're interested in that, all you just have to do is stay with me to the end. I'm going to be showing you everything. I'm going to be reviewing the website with you right now on this video. I'm going to be showing you on my screen how you can get started. All right, so but before we jump in right into that, it's important that you smash the like button, subscribe to my channel, and also turn on the notification bell so that whenever I post more educative videos like this one you're about to watch right now, okay, YouTube will notify you instantly. And if you have visited my channel for the first time, my name is Okaformarycynthiakafy, and on this channel I talk about make money online, digital skills, and different ways you can make more money for yourself from the comfort of your home. All right, so to my returning viewers, thank you so much for always supporting me. I see your likes, I see your comments, and I appreciate that so much. So let's get in right into what we are here for today. I'm going to be going right into my system to show you how it's done. I'm going to be revealing each of these websites to you. I'm going to show you how you can get started on there and how you can submit or apply for these ghostwriting jobs. Okay, so let's get right into it. The first one we have on our list is Composely. All right, so let's get right into my system. Let me show you how you can start applying. Okay, so this is Composely website. All right, so you go there, and once you go there, the first thing you're going to see is make money writing. So you can see get stop paying freelance writing jobs from clients in various industries, work with Composely and get paid one of the highest rates on the market. So you can click here to become a writer, but I advise that you go to read everything on their website. So do you want high paying remote jobs? Okay, no other writing platform offers as many benefits. You make more money, consistent quality work, sleek interface, no membership fees ever. They don't charge any membership fees. Okay, secure and regular payments. Be part of an exclusive writing community. You can go down how you can become a writer on our platform. So you can see you sign up, you create your portfolio, select the jobs you want, and submit your work and get paid. So they'll give you a list of the jobs. It's left for you to select, write on it, and submit it and get paid. Okay, so you can see apply to become a writer. You put your name, your first name, your last name, your email, the link to your portfolio. You can use Canva to create your portfolio. Okay, I agree to receive other communications freely. Put it and you click on apply. Very simple. All right, so this is Composely, and this is how you can get started with it. The second one we have on our list is Test Broker. Okay, so this is Test Broker. You can see Test Broker is also a website that pays writers to actually write on their website and get paid. So you can see with Test Broker, your writing talent pays off. Okay, Test Broker gives you access to thousands of projects to turn your writing skills into cash. So you can see free author registration. They don't charge you any money to register. Some platforms charge you to register. So you can see you earn money writing content. Do you write content? Is writing your passion? Then Test Broker is the right place for you since 2005. Okay, so you can see if you're done reading everything, all right, you always make sure that you check out their terms and condition. All these places, it's important that you read them to actually see what is required of you and how they can get to pay you. All right, so that is it. Once you are done reading and you want to apply, just click on free auto registration. You create your account and verify it and start, getting gigs and writing. So this is it. This is it. You can order a client, or maybe you're an author and you want to earn money, so you register as an author. All right, so that is it. The next one is Red Sea. Okay, so you can see it. um this is the official website. So you can see, are you a superstar designer? Okay, aside from designer, marketer, they accept different kinds of, it is not like what are they calling it, it's not like Test Broker and Composely that actually, is for only writers. This Red Sea is for marketers, translators, writers, and so on and so forth. So you can create accounts on their profile and select the one that you want. This is just like Upwork, okay? Upwork accepts different kinds of jobs, writing, design, programmers, and so on and so forth. That's the same thing with Red Sea. Red Sea, you know, they give jobs to different kinds of people, marketers, social media managers, writers, and so on and so forth. So you can create accounts on their profile and click on join their community. So you can see it here, join their community. I'm going to try to put the links to all these sites on the description of this video. Okay, so you click on apply, join our community. When you click on it, you sign up. You can either sign up with your email or you sign up with your Google account. So that is it. And I hope you're getting value from this video. If you are, let me know in the comment section. And also, let me know the country that you are watching from. Which country are you watching from? Nigeria, Ghana, South Africa, wherever that you are watching from, let me know. The country with the highest amount of comments will get a shout out in my next video. Okay, so let's continue. If you are getting value, comment I am getting value in the comment section. So the fourth one we have on our list is scripted. Okay, so scripted is a writing website where they pay people to actually write and get paid. So you can see why become a scripted writer. Scripted is the best place for freelance writers. Find out why. You click on apply. So you see, you can read more. Okay, competitive pay, they pay as high as 1,000. They have paid over $1 million since 2022, and you can see, can read more about them. If you want to get started with them, all you just have to do is to click on apply now. Okay, so you click on apply now, you register, create your profile, and you can choose to register with your email, your phone number, or any method you want to register with. Verify your account and you get started. The next one we have on our list is Mega Novel. Okay, so this is it. Mega Novel is a novel website where they pay people to write novels. Okay, so you can see these are different novels that they have on their platform. People actually purchase these novels or read it. So you can see they make money when people come to their website to read these novels. So you can come here and you click on create. Okay, so you click on create and you register with your either Google or your email, and you apply for them to employ you as a writer. So you can click here to see the writers benefit. These are what writers benefit from their website. So you can see you need 10,000 words. So you can see apply for a contract. And Mega Novel offers two types of contracts: exclusive contract and non-exclusive contract. So you can see 50% profit share for exclusive, and non-exclusive is 50% profit share plus non-exclusive completion bonus when the book is completed on Mega Novel First and has over 200k words or more. So you can see basically this is it. And $100 will be added to your account when your exclusive book reaches 50k words within the first 60 natural days. So you can see, you read more about them. If it sounds like what you think you're interested in, you click on apply and create your profile. If they accept you, start writing for them. These things are very, very simple. You just need to calm down, go through the 5 of them that I've mentioned and select the one you want to get there with. Okay, so That is it. To start writing these novels, you can use ChatGPT. If you watched my video on story how to write stories and get paid, writing short stories to get paid, I'm going to attach it to this video. Okay, so you will see that I showed how you can use ChatGPT to write stories. That same method, you can use it to, write your books, your novels, and ChatGPT will give you exactly what you want. All you just need to do is to humanize it, and you start making money from it. Okay, so that is it. You go to ChatGPT. When you go to ChatGPT, tell ChatGPT that, okay, this is what I want to do, this is what I want to do, help me draft out this for these ghostwriting jobs. Okay, you create an account on the profile, they will give you a topic to write on. They will give you a topic to write on. It's not like stories where you can write different kinds of stories and they read it and see if they want it. No, for these ghostwriting services, they will give you a content that you're going to write. You write it and you submit it to them. If they like it, they buy it from you. Okay, so that is it. So depending on the topic they have given to you, you come here, you tell ChatGPT that, okay, I'm writing for a particular company and I'm contracted to write as a ghostwriter for them. This is the topic I'm giving. Help me write this topic, list out the outlines, elaborate on it, and turn it into different chapters. When ChatGPT finish writing this thing for you, you copy it, paste it on your Google Doc, format it very well. After you're done formatting it, you read this thing word by word by yourself, because you don't want somebody that gave you a job that is paying you, let's say, $200 to actually see that you used AI to write it in 2 minutes. It's not going to make sense. Okay, so that is the reason why it's important that you humanize it, you read it, you change some of the dashes that AI used to add and make it to sound human. Okay, so when you are done doing that, you download it as a PDF and send it to this website that have contacted you to write this book or this novel for them. And that is that. I hope you are getting value. If you are, let me know in the comment section. If you'd want to connect with me outside of YouTube, you can reach out to me on Facebook. My name on Facebook is Okaformarycynthiakafy, and on Instagram, Learn with Cynthia. You can as well join my Telegram community, Internet World is Cynthia, a channel where I talk about make money online, opportunities that is in the internet space, and so on and so forth. If you are not there already, you are missing out. I don't know why you are not there. The link is in the description of this video. And if you're a brand that have anything relating to, make money online, remote jobs, and fintech, and you think you can benefit my audience, reach out to me. I only work with brands that are, legit and trusted. Okay, I want things how is going to benefit my community and not what is going to harm them. So if you have such products, you can reach out to me, let's work together. All right, so basically that is that about this particular video. I hope it got value. If you did, let me know in the comment section. And if you watch this video to the very end, I want us to confuse those that did not watch to this end. So what you're going to do for me right now is to comment, I enjoyed this video, in the comment section. You can write, I enjoyed this video from Ghana, I enjoyed this video from, so let me know in the comment section if you enjoyed this video. Okay, so thank you so much for watching. See you on my next video. If there's anything you want me to talk about on this channel, if there's any topic you want me to teach about, you let me know. All right, so before now, I normally used to create my content, just talking like this, but someone suggested that I start showing my screen and, giving examples. And that is the reason why you can see for some time now I've been showing my screen and teaching you exactly how you can get started with whatever I am talking about. I hope you love this method of teaching. If you do, also let me know in the comment section so that I can do that more, even though it's more stressful. Okay, so but then I don't mind, as long as I am giving you people what you want, which is value. I don't have a problem with that. Okay, so thank you for watching. See you on my next video. Bye.